Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming carrier support and having network access. Visual voicemail needs data or Wi-Fi. Open the phone app and tap voicemail at the bottom right. If this is the first setup, tap Setup Now, create a voicemail password, and choose a greeting type. Do this because the password secures messages and the greeting is what callers will hear. Once you complete these first steps, you're ready to manage messages and change greetings as needed. Now record and manage your greeting so callers get the right impression. Choose Default or Custom. Tap Custom and then record to speak your message. Press Stop, then play to review and re-record if the tone or timing is off. When satisfied, tap Save so your greeting goes live. Make sure to also review message notifications and delete unwanted messages to prevent storage issues. This keeps visual voicemail responsive and reliable for new callers. Finish by regularly playing and saving important messages using Share, which lets you email or store audio files. If callers can't leave messages or visual voicemail fails, reset your voicemail password or contact your carrier to reset the mailbox. This often fixes backend issues. Also try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, confirm cellular data is on, or update iOS. These steps resolve most problems, if not.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.